All right, so I fucking did it. I fucking bleached my goddamn roots. I went in, I have all these little fucking toner bleached my roots. I wasn't going to use a toner. I was going to do it the way I always do it with the ion dye. And this woman's like, no, at Sally's, no, use this Clairol shit, kaleidoscope shit, and then use this Wella toner. So I did it her way, and it fucking bleached my roots. Now, when my hairdresser puts a toner in, it just takes my highlights and does it, but not me, because when I use a toner, I lose all my fucking roots. They turn orange. So, I'm going to show you kind of I got a long video of how this went down and a short little synopsis, okay, so I decided I'm going to do some highlights on top, and then maybe tomorrow or later I will take, if that comes out okay, and do some red. Either low lights throughout it or just the underneath part. So bear with me. I have no idea what I'm doing. Not a fucking clue. I went there and she gave me this Clairol Kaleidocolor bleach because she said my hair will be ashy when it's done. I have no idea. I love ashy hair, but I don't think it's for me. All right, and then she gave me, that's not 30 developer, 2:1 ratio, and that's what we're gonna do. And I don't think I'm gonna use all of it because I'm not gonna bleach my whole head. I'm just gonna do like when you go to the hairdresser and you say like, I want the $25 5 highlights. That's what I think I'm doing. But basically, my hairdresser does the foils in the middle. That's what I'll do. Okay, and then down the sides. Okay, honestly, I mixed my bleach up. I know I'm supposed to leave it on for about 30 minutes. That's what it looks like. It smells like bleach. And I'm like scared. I don't know what to do now. Like, am I really gonna do this myself? Like, what the fuck am I thinking? So, but what I ran into the problem is I forgot to get like a pick. So now I'm gonna use a pick on the end of my brush. So I don't understand how that's like the best thing I'm doing here. All right, so then 1, 2, and 3. Doing it. Two chunks. We'll do the front after. Ready? Let's do it. All right, so it just dripped all over the place. I think we're learning real fast why you don't do this to yourself. I think that just showed it right there. That's it. That's why you don't do it to yourself. I'm dripping it everywhere. And over and over. I know I'm doing it wrong. Okay, we know this.
That's what I got. We're gonna put foil under there. The smaller one works a lot better for me. I'm thinking if I do it this way, it's a lot of hair. It's gonna be long. Okay? Let's do this. So, I feel like it's burning my scalp. What have I done? Oh, that's a lot of blonde hair.
So like, this is like the first one I did. Should we peek? It's not what the hairdresser does. So it's been like 20 minutes. I think it says 20 to 40 minutes. So should we peek? We can figure out how to unwrap this sucker. Alright, you can see we're definitely at orange. think we're gonna stay longer. Did you see the orange? We've achieved orange. All right, so, well, it works. The bleach works. You will bleach your hair orange. All right, 20 minutes, I'll be back. Let's just start taking them out. And then I'll rinse it and let's take one out. See, this is the first one, first disaster we did. So let's see what that is looking like. All right. That, so you can't even get it out. That's the first one. It's blonde. All right, well, we could definitely say for sure that the hair got blonde in spots. I'll rinse it out. All right, I gotta go rinse it. See, don't do it yourself. Right, this is not where my original part was. My original part was going to be somewhere, was somewhere over here, and that's how I wanted my hair to be. And look at this. All right, so that's it. No toner. Tomorrow I will tone. Oh, I will tone. I will tone this, and I will do the under red, because wow, maybe I'll just do the toning tomorrow. So God, I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow. Okay, so I'm back and this is what I have, and I still want to do a little bit more. So I'm going to put some more highlights in the front here, fill in this section here with some highlights. This side I'm pretty pleased with, so I'm just going to let it be. Then underneath, I'm going to bleach all this blonde so that I can dye it red. Okay, so this is what I look like. I've got bleaching on the bottom, I had a couple here, and now I'm waiting for about 20 minutes since it's been about, you know, I don't know what this hair is doing. Since it's been about 20 minutes since I started, so I'm not sure how that all works, but 20 more minutes, and I'm going to rinse it out, and I'm going to come back and show you what it looks like. Alright, see you soon. Okay, I'm back. A lot more blonde. I mean, I hate the tone, but I really like it. You can see where I did like the blonde underneath to be put red. Now, but look, I'm blonde. That's what I wanted. So I have, not here with me, the Wella T14. That's supposed to make it really ashy, but I don't know how that's gonna work. And it says to use developer 20 with it. And I have developer 10 and developer 30. And I don't know if you mix the two, do you get 20? I'm not quite sure what to do. I should tell you that I decided to just go for it. I'm gonna do red. I'm doing red. Raspberry under here. And in the same step, doing the top, toning it. It's a mistake probably. So this should tell you that this ion just comes in a tube like this. And you just squeeze it out into your container and paint it on. So you can see what I'm doing. I can't see what I'm doing. And so that's about it. I have toner, which seems like a lot of toner. So again, I'm going to use half the bottle of toner. And it'll be 0.7 ounces. Luckily I can see this one. That's half the bottle of toner. And then, oof, 2 parts developer. do I use 30 or I use 20 or half and half? I don't think you should do half and half. She gave me the 30. I'm gonna use 1.5 times. Let's see if that works. I always thought when I go to the hairdresser, they just kind of work it in like as a shampoo all over. After I get the hair done, they put the highlight, after I get the highlights done, they put the toner everywhere. Like I'm still getting my hair rinsed when the toner goes in, don't I? But I don't really want it all to be highlighted. I don't know. I'm just afraid this toner is going to lighten it more. Right, but we can see like right here, like that I am out of toner. Please God, turn this less brassy. Alright, so I'm gonna continue to comb this in and pray and be back in like, read the instructions. I think it's 20 minutes. And I'll see you then. So I shampooed it all, did everything, and then realized that it looked terrible, and I had to tone it again because I only left the toner in for like 10 minutes, and clearly it needed longer. So this is after 30 minutes with toner, and I can already see it's still brassy. I don't know what to do, but 30 minutes with the toner. I think I need to do the toner correctly, but God, it lightened my roots. This is a disaster. I gotta rinse it out now. I'm gonna tell you right now, never, ever do your hair yourself by yourself. I just bleached it all orange, and I have a doctor's appointment in an hour. I have to leave for. The only thing I can think of to do right now is to cry, because this was T14. It was not supposed to do this. It was supposed to make it ashy. It wasn't even... Just somebody tell me what I did wrong. I can't even like do anything anymore. I don't even know what to do. This is worse than I ever could have ever in my life imagined it would end up. And it's like my hair's over processed now and I can't do anything about it. Okay, so I'm blonde. The toner didn't work exactly like I thought. I go to a hairdresser and they always put the toner in, and trying to control my anger because the woman at Sally's is like, oh, you're gonna have to get rid of the golds, so use this toner. And she told me to put the developer in it. And then, sorry, I was looking at myself. And so you can see the original highlights turned really a pretty ashy blonde. But then this happened. All my roots got bleached. And so now I don't know what to do. I want to like darken my roots or pull brown highlights through, or I don't know, something. But fuck, I'm blonde. All right. So that's it. My yellow roots. It's healthy though. I'll give you that. The toner made it nice and healthy. I don't know what to do though. Do I do it again? What do you do? Do you do it again?